Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another beauty on a budget look, and this wig is a synthetic pixie cut, no, not pixie cut, a bob, where it goes short in the back and long in the front. This is I believe this wig was like $19.99, so it was under $20. Like I said, you guys, I do these beauty on the budget looks to give you guys options that is not that expensive and that you can wear and make it look presentable. So when I got this wig off of Amazon, I was a little skeptical about it. But now that I got it, this wig is just okay for me. I prefer this wig like it is now, behind the ears, because it looks better that way on me. I'm not 100% in love with this wig, but like I said, I can make it look presentable by dressing this wig up, putting my makeup on, putting the outfit on, and making it look like something. The thing I must say that I do not like about this wig is the lace. As you can see, like the lace, I'm hoping you guys can see this. The lace is like pretty hard to put down, so I was not happy about that because the lace is pretty, you can see it, and if anybody's close up on you, they can see it and know that it's a fake wig, and I just don't rock like that. So I don't know if you guys want to purchase this wig. Of course, I'm gonna put everything down in the description bar along with the links and whatnot if you want to purchase this wig. But this wig, like I said, it's just okay for me. It's okay for me. I can use this wig just to wear around the house and whatnot. But again, guys, this is a synthetic wig. This is not a human hair wig. It's a synthetic wig. And right now, I'm telling you now, if you guys in the heat, you sweat a lot and whatnot in the heat, I don't know if this is a good wig, because when I sweat and I get hot, I go to itching, and I'm not even hot and sweaty right now, and this wig is kind of itching me right now. But overall, like I said, it is affordable wig. Like I said, if you dress it up really nice, you can make this wig look presentable. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I don't really have much to say about this wig. Again, if you guys want to purchase this wig, I'll put all the links down in the description bar. But yeah, that's it, you guys. So before I jump out of this video, I want to thank you guys for coming back and tuning into another beauty on the budget. And I want to encourage you guys to definitely subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you guys would definitely be notified. Now, you guys, I upload a video every week. I upload 2 videos every week, Wednesdays and Saturday. Again, if you want to be notified of those videos that I upload, definitely hit the notification bell along with the subscribe button. I thank you guys so much for watching, and again, if you enjoy my beauty on a budget video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.